Buckle up, because you're about to take a wild ride through the future of transportation. From jaw-dropping hypercars and shape-shifting motorcycles to flying taxis and amphibious beasts, the world of vehicles is evolving faster than ever, and it's nothing short of mind-blowing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a speed junkie, or just someone who loves outrageous innovation, these 20 coolest vehicles are guaranteed to amaze you. Some are straight out of sci-fi movies, others are redefining the limits of engineering, but all of them share one thing: they'll leave you in awe. Let's hit the throttle and explore the future, one insane ride at a time.
Avenir Spiritus groundbreaking electric three-wheeled vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance, weighing just 1,323 pounds. It boasts a 150 kilowatts 204 horsepower motor, achieving a top speed of 87 miles per hour and accelerating from 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds, 37 miles per hour in 5 seconds, with a range of up to 179 miles and a 34 kWh battery. It offers impressive efficiency. The Spiritus comes equipped with features like rear hinged swan doors, advanced tires, and a comprehensive infotainment system. Pricing starts at $22,995, with an ultimate version priced at $149,000, offering enhanced features and performance. Nexon IM. The Nexon IM is a This isn't sci-fi, it's your personal flying machine, ready for takeoff. The Jetson 1 is a single-seat electric aircraft that takes off vertically and puts the future of personal flight in your hands. Built from ultra-light aluminum and a carbon Kevlar safety shell, it weighs just 190 pounds. Powered by 8 brushless electric motors, it can soar up to 63 miles per hour and stay airborne for about 20 minutes per charge. What sets it apart? It's packed with safety tech, like a ballistic parachute, backup power systems, lidar-assisted auto-landing, and hands-free hovering. You don't even need a pilot's license to fly it in the US, making the dream of personal aviation more reachable than ever. Starting at $92,000, it's built for adventurers who want more than just a thrill. This is freedom in the skies. The Jetson 1 isn't just an aircraft, it's your ticket to fly into the future.
Sunswift 7 groundbreaking solar P-powered electric vehicle developed by UNSW Sydney students, setting a Guinness World Record by traveling 1,000 kilometers on a single charge in under 12 hours, averaging nearly 85 kmh, weighing just 500 kilograms. It features a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and a 38 kWh battery driving twin brushless DC hub motors. The vehicle boasts an impressive drag coefficient of 0.095 and a frontal area of 1.86 square meter, designed for the cruiser class of the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge. It achieved top scores in on-road and practicality categories. While not available for commercial purchase, the Sunswift 7 represents a significant leap in sustainable automotive engineering. LIT Motors AEV. The LIT
Langfate C1 electric scooter designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with dual 2000W brushless motors, it delivers a combined peak power of 3600W, enabling a top speed of 50 mph and a range of up to 50 ms on a single charge. The scooter features a 60 volts 26A removable lithium-ion battery, 11 inches tubeless tires, and a robust aluminum alloy frame weighing 45 kilograms. It supports a maximum load of $330, priced at $2,600. The Langite C1 offers who says electric scooters are just for the city. The Langfate C1 tears up that idea, built for both smooth streets and wild off-road trails. Packing dual 2000W brushless motors with a peak output of 3600W, this beast hits speeds up to 50 miles per hour. With a max range of 50 miles per charge, it's ready for long commutes or adrenaline-fueled rides. Its 60 volts 26Ah removable lithium-ion battery makes charging easy and flexible. 11-inch tubeless tires, a rugged aluminum alloy frame, and a weight capacity of 330 pounds mean it's built to handle rough terrain without breaking a sweat. And at just 45 kilograms, it's powerful yet portable.
Lit Motors AEV. Motors AEV, also known as the C1, is a groundbreaking two-wheeled electric vehicle that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the safety and comfort of a car, equipped with a 72 kWh motor. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds and achieves a top speed exceeding 100 miles per hour. Its 13 kWh battery offers a range of 150 to 220 meters per charge, with charging times ranging from 4 to 8 hours depending on the outlet used. The AEV features a gyroscopic stabilization system that allows it to lean up to 45 degrees into turns, enhancing maneuverability and safety. Additional safety features include front and side airbag, seat belts, and scissor doors. The vehicle's aluminum and steel chassis ensure durability, while its compact design offers a unique driving experience. The projected MSRP is $32,000, with pre-orders available through a $250 reservation fee.
Ready to rewrite the rules of the road? Meet the Canyon, a bold, three-wheeled machine built for those who crave both adventure and control. Under the hood, it packs a punch with a 1,330cc Rotax inline triple engine delivering 115 horsepower and 96 pound-feet of torque. The semi-automatic 6-speed gearbox with reverse makes shifting smooth and intuitive, on or off the pavement. With 4 distinct ride modes: Sport, All-Road, Rally, and Normal, you can tailor your ride to match any terrain. A double A-arm front suspension, big bore shocks, and dynamic power steering keep the handling sharp and stable. Comfort is dialed in with a 10.25-inch and 5-inch dual-screen setup featuring Apple CarPlay, plus an adjustable windshield for those long-haul journeys. Starting at $25,300, the Canyon isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement for solo explorers who want something different. 3 wheels, 1 wild ride, infinite possibilities.
Naxion IAM. Sleek urban electric motorcycle that seamlessly blends futuristic design with impressive performance, weighing 302 pounds and featuring a 52 in wheelbase and 31 inches seat height. It offers a comfortable and agile ride equipped with a 6.5 kWh battery. It delivers a range of up to 111.9 miles and a top speed of 72 miles per hour. Acceleration is swift, reaching 31 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Charging is convenient with an auto-grade socket compatible with public and personal stations, achieving 20 to 80% charge in 1.5 hours. Priced at $8,000, the IM is a compelling choice for eco-conscious riders seeking style and performance. The Langa C1 is a high-performance
Who says vintage can't be electric? The Mod Easy sidecar blends classic cruiser charm with modern electric power, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Powered by a 750W motor, peaking at 1,500 W, it hits speeds up to 28 miles per hour and cruises up to 45 miles on a single charge. The removable 48-volt Samsung battery makes recharging a breeze. Just pop it out and plug it in. Built with a tough 661 aluminum frame, dual suspension, and grippy 3-inch Kenda tires, it's made for smooth, stable rides. But the real star? The detachable sidecar. With a 150-pound capacity, it's perfect for your pup, a friend, or gear for your next adventure. All this retro meets modern magic starts at just $3,510 during promotional windows. It's not just a ride. It's a vibe on wheels, electric, stylish, and built for the bold. Ever seen a car that shrinks to fit into tight city spaces? Meet the City Transformer Connecticut 2, a futuristic electric microcar that literally changes shape to tackle urban chaos. Its retractable chassis narrows from 1.4 meters to just 1 meter, making narrow streets and impossible parking spots a breeze. Under the hood, a 15 kilowatts electric motor launches it from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, with a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Its range? Anywhere from 120 to 180 kilometers. Perfect for zipping through your daily commute without needing constant recharges. Safety hasn't taken a back seat. The Connecticut 2 comes equipped with disc brakes front and rear, plus modern driver aids like blind spot monitoring and forward collision warnings. And despite its compact size, it still offers a comfy, air-conditioned interior built for everyday use. All of this innovation comes at a price point of just €16,000, making high-tech urban travel surprisingly accessible. The City Transformer Connecticut 2 isn't just a car, it's a smart, space-saving solution for the future of city driving. Angler Superquad. Superquad, also known as the Angler. Thrive 12 is a revolutionary fusion of superbike agility and hypercar performance. This Slovakian marvel boasts a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, 3D printed titanium components and an in-house 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox weighing just 30 kilograms. Its V12 engine delivers between 700 to 800 horsepower with an optional upgrade to 1184 horsepower and 1200 Nm of torque, enabling a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in under 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 250 mph, equipped with 20 in forged magnesium wheels, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. It ensures exceptional handling. The interior features hand-stitched leather seats, dual touchscreens with Apple CarPlay and a height-adjustable windshield, limited to 20 units each, priced at $1.2 million. The Angler 512 redefines as the boundaries of quad bike performance and luxury. X-Bang land aircraft carrier. The X-Bang land aircraft carrier. X-Bang Aero HT land aircraft carrier is a groundbreaking modular vehicle that combines a 6-wheeled electric mothership with a detachable EV aircraft, redefining personal transportation. The mothership features a triacle 6x6 all-wheel drive system, rear wheel steering, and an 800-volt silicon carbide range extended platform offering over 1,000 kilometers of driving range, measuring 5.5 meters in length. It accommodates 4 passengers and houses the aircraft in its trunk. The carbon fiber flying module, equipped with 6 rotors, supports both manual and autonomous flight modes, providing 5 to 6 flights per charge and recharging from 30% to 80% in 18 minutes via the mothership. Priced at approximately $280,000, the land aircraft carrier has garnered over 3,000 pre-orders, with mass production slated for 2026. This innovative vehicle offers a seamless transition between road and air travel, catering to adventure seekers and emergency services alike. Foil-owned Pegasus. The Foil.1 What if your next boat ride felt more like flying? Meet the Foil-owned Pegasus, a sleek, single-seat electric hydrofoil that literally glides above the water. With a retro-futuristic look and cutting-edge tech, this ride is anything but ordinary. Built entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, the Pegasus weighs just 200 kilograms with batteries and stretches 4.88 meters in length. It's powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor and 2 swappable 5 kilowatt-hours batteries, hitting cruising speeds between 18 to 22 knots and topping out at 30 knots. You'll get over 2 hours of pure, silent fun per charge. No noise, no wake, just smooth sailing. Its hydrofoil design lifts the vessel above the surface, reducing drag and delivering a ride that's as efficient as it is thrilling. Steering is intuitive and motorcycle style, making it easy for beginners but exciting enough for pros. Starting at €139,900 or €150,520 with batteries and charger, the Pegasus can also be customized to fit your personal style. This isn't just a watercraft, it's a bold new way to experience the sea. Tomo-free MK100. 100 is a stylish electric scooter designed for urban commuting and leisurely rides equipped with a 1200W rear hub motor. It reaches speeds up to 30 miles per hour and offers a range of 25 to 28 meters on a single charge. The scooter features 20x3 in fat tires, dual mechanical disc brakes and full suspension, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Its carbon steel frame supports a maximum load of 330 pounds and is suitable for riders between 5't and 6 feet 3 in tall. Priced at $1,300, the MK100 combines performance and comfort for an enjoyable riding experience. Skyak V1. The Skyak V1 is a meet the car that literally runs on sunshine. The Aptera Solar EV is a sleek, three-wheeled electric ride powered in part by the sun, thanks to 700 watts of built-in solar panels. On a clear day, it can generate up to 40 miles of range just from sunlight. That means for many drivers, you might not need to plug in at all. But when you do, its 42 kilowatt-hours battery delivers up to 400 miles on a full charge. It's quick, too, going from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, with a top speed of 101 miles per hour. Light, aerodynamic, and ultra-efficient, it's designed to use far less energy than conventional EVs. At $40,000, the Aptera isn't just another electric car, it's a leap toward true energy independence. Why just drive electric, when you can drive electric and solar? Revo Hubless e-bike. Revo Hubless e-bike is a futuristic electric bicycle that combines innovative design with modern technology. Its standout feature is the hubless wheels, which eliminate traditional hubs and spokes, offering a sleek and unique appearance. Powered by a 750W motor, 250W for EU models, and a 48 volume 10.5A lithium-ion battery, it achieves a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of up to 37 meters per charge. The bike includes a triple barrier anti-theft system with a fingerprint sensor, GPS tracking, and an automatic wheel lock. Additional features include integrated 800 lumens LED headlights and tail lights with an ambient light sensor and a smartphone holder weighing approximately 55 pounds. The Revo is available in 2 sizes and offers a modern, secure, and stylish ride. Priced at $2,000 during crowdfunding campaigns, it represents a blend of cutting-edge design and functionality. DTV Shredder. The DTV Ever wondered what happens when a skateboard, tank, and jet ski combine? Meet the DTV Shredder, an all-terrain beast that lets you ride standing up while tearing through almost anything. Its dual rubber tracks give it tank-like traction on snow, sand, mud, and rocky trails. Yet, it handles with the smooth control of a skateboard and the excitement of a jet ski. Powered by a 208cc single-cylinder engine, it hits speeds up to 30 miles per hour and can tow up to 500 pounds. Despite its rugged performance, the Shredder weighs just 270 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're exploring the backwoods or using it for serious work, it's built to deliver. Starting at $6,000, it's not just a toy, it's a tool for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts alike. The DTV Shredder doesn't just ride the trail, it creates one.